In this video, I will separate the buds of Sansevieria Twister or Sansevieria Tsunami. Sansevieria Twister has the characteristic of the leaves are wavy and circular direction. In the middle of leaves are green and gray, and on the edge of the leaves yellow. The first step, we separate the plants with growing media. The second step, we cut on the base of buds. The third step, we are rubbing the wounds with a powdered fungicide. The goal is to plant the wound is not rot. The fourth step, we plant it back. Here we use the media planting rice husks and a little bit of land. The fifth step, fast to taste. The sixth step, place the plant in the shade for 7 days.